Wendy and I are harvesting guavas. Ow, fuck. Dangerous in here. Oh yeah, look at all the guavas. They're so good. There's a nice one. There's one. That's kind of mushy.
Sounds pretty mushy. That was a good one. Yeah, some of them are pretty mushy.
Put them in the fridge when
Take
we
a
get.
bite of it now. Taste?
I'm putting them in the fridge when I get home there. Okay? It's good? Aren't they good? Sweet, eh? Wendy's eating fresh guavas.
That one's a bit tangy.
Anyway, this is what we're doing in the rainforest. So, time to get back on the beaten path before we get lost here. Never to be found in the Hawaiian rainforest. Lots of guavas. Look at right there.
Yeah.
Yummy. Very sweet.